If your Honda is giving you a headache with its constant defects, there's light at the end of the tunnel. Thanks to the California Lemon Law, consumers like you who are dealing with persistently defective vehicles have the chance to ditch the problematic vehicle and seek compensation from Honda for their troubles. In this video, we will go in depth on what the Honda Buyback is, its mechanics, prevalent defects found in Honda cars, the affected models, ways to determine your eligibility for compensation, and the essential initial step to take when filing a Lemon Law claim. Let's get straight into it. Let's begin by answering the question, what does the Honda Lemon Law Buyback settlement option involve? As part of the California Lemon Law, the buyback or repurchase option aims to remedy the situation for those who have bought a Lemon vehicle from Honda by compensating you for all expenses you incurred related to the purchase of the defective vehicle. Under this measure, Honda undertakes to repurchase the defective vehicle, fully reimbursing you for the original vehicle price, sales and financing charges, all previous monthly payments, plus expenses linked to repairs, towing fees, and car rental costs. The beautiful thing about this settlement is that the final payout amount is subject only to slight deductions, also known as mileage offset, to account for your use of the vehicle prior to the onset of repair issues. Before we proceed with discussing the initial step of your claim filing process, let's familiarize ourselves with the most common defects observed in Honda vehicles that have been subject to Lemon Law claims. Here are a few examples of such issues. The car loses power during acceleration, ignition switch failure, engine shudder, uneven rotor wear, vibration during braking, warped rotors, defective TRW crash sensor, excessive oil consumption, transmission jerks into gear, transmission slipping, and trouble shifting gears. Have you encountered any of these problems with your Honda? Your Honda may have different issues from those mentioned here, but the thing to remember is that any ongoing or repetitive problem that significantly affects the vehicle's use, safety, or worth can be a valid foundation to file a complaint. Now that we have identified those issues, let's find out which car models are protected by the Lemon Law. The following Honda vehicle models are included: Honda Accord, Honda Civic, Honda CR-V, Honda Fit, Honda Insight, Honda Odyssey, Honda Passport, Honda Pilot, and the Honda Ridgeline. Have you encountered repair issues with any of these Honda models? Moving ahead, let's try to find out whether your Honda car qualifies for coverage under Lemon Law provisions. To be considered a Lemon, the vehicle needs to meet one of the following criteria. The vehicle must have been returned to the dealership a minimum of 2 times for a major safety defect. The vehicle must have been returned to the dealership at least 4 times for a non-safety defect or issue. The vehicle must have been in the possession of the Honda dealership for a cumulative period exceeding 30 days due to a combination of defects. Now, brace yourself, this one is huge. As dictated by the law, if any of these requirements are met during the first 18 months or 18,000 miles, the car is right then and there classified as a Lemon. This procedure is commonly referred to as the Lemon Law legal presumption. But you might ask, what happens if the car troubles arise after surpassing the initial 18 months or 18,000 miles? Beyond this specified time frame, the vehicle may still be considered for compensation if the ongoing defects or issues originated during the vehicle's warranty period, typically 3 years for bumper-to-bumper warranty, or approximately 5 years for powertrain warranty. So now that you know how this process works, what is the next step? If you own a Honda in California and are experiencing ongoing issues or faults during the warranty period that the manufacturer can't seem to resolve even after numerous attempts, you may be entitled to compensation. There is but one obvious course of action. Take the next step now by initiating the Lemon Law process through consultation with a seasoned California Lemon Law attorney. Your attorney will accurately evaluate your claim, offer comprehensive legal advice tailored to your case, and help you navigate the claims process. Here's the clincher. Your attorney will provide all of these services without costing you a dime. That's correct. You can have an exceptional attorney working on your behalf without paying a thing. You see, Lemon Law attorneys in California work on a contingency basis. This means that their fees will be paid by Honda as part of the settlement, and they won't get paid unless they win your case. Don't overthink it. It's time to take action and seek the compensation you rightly deserve. Remember, the law is on your side, and you shouldn't be hopelessly stuck with a lemon. For assistance to file a lemon law claim in California, visit lemonlawyers.org by clicking on the link in the description below or call 323-553-7525 today for a free consultation. Thank you for watching.